Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back in the kitchen again. Guys, if you want to see how I prepare my Jamaican pumpkin punch, come along and just enjoy. Guys, this is all my ingredients and this is my pumpkin. I cut them up and I'm gonna do now. My pot is on the stove. I don't put any salt in there, and I'm gonna put some vanilla in there, molasses, supper gin, Guinness, vanilla, nutmeg, egg, and a Irish mash. Okay guys, I'm gonna put my pumpkin in the boiling water and let it boil for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, here's my pot. It's boiling up, so I'm just gonna put in my pumpkin. I'm not gonna put any salt in there, okay? You don't need no salt. Just like a juice you're making, so you don't need no salt, okay? Just gonna give it a little stir and just let it boil for 7 to 10 minutes. When it gets soft, yes guys, what I'm gonna do is just strain off the water and just put it aside and let it cool and show you what is next. Yes guys, here I have my pumpkin. It's all cool. So what I'm gonna do, this is my blender. Just gonna put my pumpkin in my blender, and this is about 1 pound of pumpkin. Yeah. What next? Gonna add my Guinness. Gonna add my supper gin. Gonna add an Irish mash. I'm not gonna add all of the Irish mash. Just gonna add half can of the Irish mash, okay? Put half quarter spoon. I'm gonna put quarter spoon of nutmeg, quarter spoon cinnamon powder. I'm gonna add half teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna add half can of tin milk, condensed milk. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of molasses. Doing next, I'm using the Vitamix blender. It's a very powerful blender. I'm just gonna blend up all of this. Just gonna combine all of this together. Okay guys? Yes guys, I just tasted and it want a little more milk, so I'm just gonna put some more milk in there, and I'm gonna add some ice. The reason why I'm gonna add the ice in there now, because the blender is very powerful and the blender is just gonna blend out everything. Okay guys, just gonna add 1 cup of ice and my condensed milk. I'm just gonna combine this together now, okay? Let us see the finishing look. Holiday season is coming up. Thanksgiving and Christmas holiday, you can serve it for your guests or your family. It's really good. And this is the texture of my pumpkin punch. Yes, it's really good. So I'm just gonna pour it. ingredient. Trust me. Just gonna pour it in my glass, and it's cool. Cause I put the ice in there, so it's really cool. I don't have to put no ice in there because I blend the ice in there. Okay, guys. This is the finished look of my Jamaican pumpkin punch. I just put little nut and egg on the top just for presentation. But guys, it's really good. It's really rich. And you see the Guinness and the Suppergen just get a big kick. Trust me. It's really good, guys. You can try it, you know, and tell me all about it. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description box. Yes, guys. So please subscribe and share and comment. And if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up now. Big up on yourself, guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you for coming back. Big up on yourself. Bless you all. Bye.
Do you have a moment? In this very second, I know you feel the beat.